Ever wondered why economic recessions occur and how to navigate them? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. Economic recessions are typically characterized by a significant decline in economic activity, spanning across the economy and lasting more than a few months. They're primarily triggered by various factors such as financial crises, external shocks, and economic policies. Education is your first line of defense. Staying informed about the economic situation helps you understand what's happening and why. You can also learn about successful investment strategies during these economic downturns. Another critical strategy is having an emergency fund. This financial buffer can help cover essential expenses if you face job loss or other financial setbacks. When it comes to investments, consider assets that have historically performed well during recessions. These might include defensive stocks like utilities and healthcare, precious metals, or government bonds. The key here is diversification, spreading your risk across different types of investments. Recessions can present opportunities in the real estate market. With property prices dropping, you might find promising investment opportunities. However, this requires careful research and a focus on areas with potential for future growth. For the entrepreneurial-minded, recessions can offer unique opportunities. Identifying niches where consumer needs persist despite an economic downturn can pave the way for successful business ventures. Acquiring undervalued assets is another strategy. Look for stocks, businesses, or distressed assets that are undervalued and may recover in the long term. Cutting unnecessary expenses and improving efficiency can help both at a personal level and in business operations. Streamlining your budget and focusing on essential expenses can help you weather the storm. Networking and collaboration remain vital. Building and maintaining a strong professional network can open doors to new opportunities. Adaptability is crucial during economic uncertainty. Being flexible and ready to pivot can be a game changer. Recessions can also be a time for skill development. Enhancing your skills can make you more valuable in the job market or better equipped for entrepreneurial ventures. Finally, discipline is key. Stick to your long-term financial goals and resist making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Remember, while recessions may present opportunities, it's crucial to approach them ethically and with consideration for others' well-being. Exploiting a recession solely for personal gain can lead to harm to those who are more vulnerable during these challenging times. Always consult with financial professionals before making significant investment or business decisions. So, to recap, navigating a recession involves staying informed, having an emergency fund, investing wisely, considering real estate opportunities, identifying business niches, acquiring undervalued assets, cutting costs, networking, being adaptable, developing skills, and maintaining discipline. Navigating economic recessions is not about exploiting the situation, but rather about making informed, ethical decisions that not only benefit you, but also contribute to the overall economic recovery. So, stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay resilient. As we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement helps us to create more content like this. Remember, knowledge is power, especially during uncertain economic times. Stay tuned for more informative videos, where we'll continue to provide you with the tools you need to navigate the turbulent waters of economic recessions. Until next time, stay informed, stay prepared, and stay resilient.